Did you know a man once sold an entire country that didn't exist and people died for it? In 1822, a Scottish adventurer named Gregor MacGregor walked into London with an extraordinary claim. He said he was the ruler of Poyais, a beautiful nation on the coast of Central America. Rich land, a proper capital city, opportunity waiting for anyone bold enough to go. He had everything to prove it. A printed guidebook, official currency, land grants you could buy right there in London. Hundreds of people believed him. Settlers packed their bags and sailed across the Atlantic. What they found was jungle, swamp, disease. Roughly 180 of them died. MacGregor sailed back to Europe before the survivors even made it home. He faced almost no punishment. Then he walked into Paris and ran the exact same fraud again. That is the part that never leaves you. Not just the lies, but how completely he must have believed them to keep going after so many people paid with their lives. Please like, comment, share and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.